Hello dear students, today in this class I will be explaining about 4-point DFT computation of a sequence using DIF. In the last class we have seen regarding DIT. So what's the given question? Coming to the question, find the 4-point DFT of the sequence x of n 2143 by DIF FFT algorithm. Let us start the solution. First step, the given sequence x of n. What is the given sequence? 2143. Second step, draw the general butterfly diagram of DIF, decimation in frequency. This is a general butterfly diagram of DIF where a and b are the input variables. Wn to the power k is the twiddle factor. Capital A, capital B are the output variables of DIF. So you have to observe here the twiddle factor is placed at the end of the bottom line or in DIF. What is the output equation of first line? A plus B. A plus B. Second line equation, A minus B, Wn to the power k. So these two equations you have to remember while solving the flow graph problem. The upper line equation is A plus B. The lower line equation, output equation is A minus B, Wn to the power k. Third step is bit reversal table. Here we are given x of n is 2143, 4 bits. So we have written 0, 1, 2, 3 and their binary representation comprising of 2 bits. Why 2 bits only? Because n is equal to 4, which is written as 2 to the power 2. So the power is having 2. So we have to take those many bits in binary number representation of this decimal number. So 0 is written as 0, 0, 1 is 0, 1, 2 is 1, 0, 3 is 1, 1. In bit reversal, you have to interchange the bit values. So 0, 0 is written as 0, 0, 0, 1 become now 1, 0, 1, 0 becomes 0, 1, 1, 1 becomes 1, 1. So how would the bit reversal, if you can change this binary to decimal, you will get as 0, 2, 1, 3. So the natural sequence is 0, 1, 2, 3. The bit reversal sequence is 0, 2, 1, 3. Okay. Now, in this problems, the first step is sequence, write the given sequence, second output equations, third is bit reversal table, fourth is twiddle factor calculations. Twiddle factor calculations you have to do. To know what are the twiddle factors in the flow graph, you have to know the 4-point DIF flow graph. You have to know the DIF flow graph. So what are the twiddle factors here in this DIF? This is a 4-point DIF flow graph. The inputs are designated by small x and the output variables are designated by capital X. Input is in the natural order, x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3, and output is in the bit reversal order, capital X of 0, capital X of 2, capital X of 1, capital X of 3. In DIF, the twiddle factor is placed at the end of each butterfly. So in the first stage, we are having one set of butterfly with the twiddle factors W4 to the power 0, W4 to the power of 1. In the second stage, we are having two sets of butterfly with the twiddle factor W2 to the power of 0, W2 to the power of 0. This is how we draw the DIF flow graph, which you have understood in the previous classes. So what are the twiddle factor calculations here? W2 to the power of 0, W4 to the power of 0 and W4 to the power of 1. These three twiddle factor calculations you have to do before the start of this flow graph solution. So let us see how to do that. Or what's the first twiddle factor you have to take? W2 to the power of 0. What it is? E to the power of minus j 2 pi k. K value is how much? 0 by n. N is 2. That is equal to e to the power of 0, which is equal to 1. What is W4 to the power of 0? E to the power of minus j 2 pi 0 by 4, which is equal to e to the power of 0, which is equal to 1. Next twiddle factor is W4 to the power of 1 e to the power of minus j 2 pi. K is 1, capital N is 4, which is equal to e to the power of minus j pi by 2, which is equal to cos pi by 2 minus j sin pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 is how much? 0. 0 minus j. Sin pi by 2 is 1. So it's coming as minus j. So what are the twiddle factor values? W2 to the power 0 is how much? 0, 1. W4 to the power of 0 is 1. W4 to the power of 1 is minus j. W2 to the power of 0 is 1. W4 to the power 0 is 1. W4 to the power of 1 is minus j. These are the three twiddle factor calculations. Now coming to the flow graph, input is in the natural order. We have written the values of the sequence 2, 1, 4, 3. This is the given sequence values 2, 1, 4, 3. So let us come to the first stage calculation. This is the first butterfly. For this butterfly, the inputs are 2 and 4. Okay, na? The twiddle factor for this butterfly is W4 to the power of 0. So what is output equation here? A plus B. 2 plus 4, which is equal to 6. What is the equation of the second line or the bottom line of the butterfly in DIF? A minus B, the whole multiplied by the twiddle factor. A is how much? 2. B is how much? 4. So it is 2 minus 4 Wn, W4 to the power of 0. So it will come as minus 2. Now coming to the second butterfly here. What is the input values? 1 and 3. So here the input are 1 and 3 for this butterfly. So it will be how much? 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Now coming to here, this line, what will be the equation? The inputs are 1 A minus B, 1 minus 3 whole multiplied by the twiddle factor, that is W4 to the power of 1. What is that? Minus 2. W4 to the power of minus j is how much? W4 to the power of 1 is how much? Minus j. So it will come as j2. Okay. So what are the values you got? 6, 4, minus 2, j2. Now they will act as input now. 6, 4, minus 2, j2. They will act as input to the second stage now. Coming to this butterfly, what is our equation? A plus B, that is 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. What is the output equation of the second line? A minus B, Wn to the power k. 6 minus 4 whole multiplied by W2 to the power 0. It will come how much? 6 minus 4 is 2 and this value is 1. So it will come as 2. For this butterfly, the input is minus 2 j2. So what is the equation? A plus B minus 2 plus j2. Here A minus B minus 2 minus j2 whole multiplied by W2 to the power of 0. W2 to the power of 0 is how much? 1. So it will be minus 2 minus j2. Okay, so we got the values as 10, 2, this is 10, 2, minus 2 plus j2, x of 3 is minus 2 minus j2. So how the output is here now in DIF? It is in the bit reversal order. We have to see these output values and write your x of k. So after drawing this flow graph and doing their calculations, you can tabulate it here. Okay. So 2413 2143 is the input, which I have written it here. 2143. What is the output of stage 1 here? Output of stage 1 is 6, 4, minus 2, J2. That you can write it here. How much it is? 6, 4, minus 2, J2. What is the output of second stage? 10, 2, minus 2 plus J2, minus 2 minus J2. Write it in this table. What it is? 10, 2, minus 2 plus J2, minus 2 minus J2. But how they are? In the bit reversal. So you have to write x of k. What is x of k? X of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3. Here it is in the bit reversal order. So if you look at this flow graph, what is x of 0? 10. What is x of 1 value? Minus 2 plus J2. So write that value next. Minus 2 plus J2. What is x of 2 value? 2. What is x of 3? Minus 2 minus J2. So this is how we have to write the output in the natural order after doing the calculations. So this is in the bit reversal order. We have to take 10, then x of 1 minus 2 plus J2, and then 2, and then x of 3, that is minus 2 minus J2. So this is using DIF. So a very important note is, while writing the result in DIF, you have to check the values and arrange in the natural order to write the final result, because it is in the bit reversal order. I hope the solution is clear to you all. So the equation is very clear for DIF. The upper line equation is a plus b, and the lower line equation is a minus b Wn to the power k. If this equation you remember, you can solve problems very easily. Thank you. I hope you have understood the class. Good luck, students.